So this is going to be a quick video on how to set up an op-amp circuit. This is our op-amp chip over here. How to set up using a breadboard. So the op-amp has a plus and minus input terminal. Look at the diagram over here. So it says pin 7 is going to be the plus and pin 4 will be the minus. I don't know if you can see here, but there's a little indentation circle, and that indicates pin 1, and from there it goes counterclockwise. So this would be pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it goes like that. I placed the op-amp. When you have small chips like this, breadboard compatible, you put the chips between the two lines over here, so that you can have so that basically they don't short circuit. Because if you put them, let's say, over here, you'd have like a short circuit because the two other inputs would be connected together. Anyways, we have the positive voltage, in this case 15 volts, because the problem is 15 volts, going to the top line over here. So I've saved my top rail for positive 15 volts. The negative 15 volts would go into this bottom rail over here, and I've saved that rail for negative 15 volts. And the ground, I've left it at this rail. This is the ground. This rail over here. Then, because the diagram says pin 4 is negative, I connect pin 4, the fourth pin, to the negative terminal over here. And then I connect the pin 7. So pin 7 over here, the blue one, goes all the way to the positive voltage. And then to use the oscilloscope, the alligator clips cannot connect to the breadboard, so we'd have to take one of these wires, connect one side of it into the breadboard, and the other side you just alligator clip it, and that should be enough for you to see the voltage at different points. But let me just quickly, I think that'll be it. So the inputs, because this is a simple design, the inputs are to be grounded. The one side to be grounded and the other side to be positive voltage. So here we have the grounded side. The positive input would be grounded, because pin 3 is, as you can see in this diagram, pin 3 is the positive input, and pin 2 is the negative input. And so pin 2 is connected here, so I can adjust the frequency from the frequency generator, and the output here is again left hanging out, so I can connect with an alligator clip to an oscilloscope to see the voltage difference from the output with respect to ground. I have left ground hanging so that I can easily see, because ground is going to be used for ground is going to be used for determining the relative position of everything. So yeah, I hope that helps.